Here's how you can search on Amazon Haul. So Amazon Haul, if you haven't heard of it, is this crazy deal section of Amazon. And there's a landing page. So there's a link in the description down below where it will take you to this landing page. And then all you have to do is click in the search bar up here to search. Now you should make sure that this drop down to the left says Amazon Haul and not all departments or a different department. If it does, then you'll want to make sure you select Amazon Haul. And then you can search just Amazon Haul for different things. Let's say I want to search for, I don't know, maybe I want to search for diapers. All of these results are on Amazon Haul, and you can see that there are some incredible deals here on diapers, and there are name brands as well. Now, if you're not on the Amazon Haul landing page, if you were to just be on the Amazon page, you'll see this search bar say all. And so you'll want to click on that and find Amazon Haul. And that's how you can search specifically that department. Easier just to click the link in the description. It'll take you to the Amazon Haul landing page and you'll be able to search Amazon Haul right here at the top. That's how you can search for items on Amazon Haul.